my channel. For today's video, I have a beautiful Boohoo haul for you today. I'm so excited. I'm going to try everything on for you. I mean, just get excited. Here we go. First things first, we have this matching set. I am loving the trend right now with the mismatch patterns or colors. This is pink stripes and orange stripes. So cute. It came with this oversized button down that goes down pretty long. I also got this button down, I want to say in a size 8 or a 10, which I'm normally a size 4, but I really love like big tops like this to just be super flowy and roomy, and I wanted to make sure that it covered the back of me as much as I could. And then it comes with these cute little shorts, drawstring shorts. Literally, how cute. You guys, are you joking? It's truly the cutest. It's very lightweight, which I love. It reminds me of like sherbet ice cream, which I love. I think it's just so cute. This came in other colors as well, I believe, but I went with the pink and orange because it feels very summery to me. Just feels very girly and fun. We love her. We love her. Now, because I have this thing for like these oversized button-down tops, I got this zebra print one, but I like it because of the brown. It has the buttons so you can do it long sleeve. I know me, and I'm just gonna have it rolled up. Also, I'm not gonna wear it with these shorts, obviously, but we're just trying things on. I am obsessed with this. Like, this fits perfectly. Look how long it goes in the back. It's still pretty long. I love it. This, my idea is to do, also these are real pockets. We know how we love pockets. I also just find that I feel like browns, especially darker browns or like chocolate browns, feel very flattering to me. So I'm obsessed with them. This is just like so, oh my, like you will see me in this for the rest of the year. I'm very excited. This again is pretty lightweight as well. I just picture this with like a cute little black bra with some like high-waisted pants of some sort with a heel on and taking it out for dinner, like making it look very cool girl with like a little bag. You know, it's perfect. I love the button down. This feels very stylish and chic just for such a good price, which I love. Speaking of a little bag, you guys, do you see this? That's right. This is a white, obviously faux leather crocodile bag. So cute. The top is open, so it's just like one little, there's a penny in there, one little thing. But I love how structured it is. It's like the perfect size. I don't like to carry bags any bigger than this. This is as big as I will go, just because I don't like to feel like I have a ton of things with me. I don't want to carry a bunch of stuff. So this is perfect. I just love how chic this looks. A white bag, are you kidding? This can match absolutely anything. It's the perfect size. The structure is what I can't get over, because I'll be honest, I feel like sometimes when a bag is less expensive, the structure falls or like the structure doesn't hold. This is just, she's here. This girl, look at, she's here, she's sitting. Like, she's not budging, so I love that. This is so cute. I'm not sure if this comes in other colors. If it does, I definitely need it because it's the perfect bag. It just, and I've never owned a white purse. Why not? She's gorgeous. So we love her. She's stunning. Love you, girl. Did I get a third button down? Yes, because of the way this one was styled on the website. You guys, the model was wearing this with a tiny nude strappy heel. She had this buttoned with a little bag, and I was like, oh, she is the moment. I had to do that. I also love that this is linen. So these sleeves are more of like a balloon kind of a sleeve. Do you see that? So that's going to look just really pretty if you leave it buttoned like this. If you didn't want to, you could always fold it up. Ooh, yeah, see how it balloons? That's actually really, really pretty. I like that a lot. It feels very like elegant. I'm just picturing this like buttoned down, right? All the way down. I know that looks like a little like, okay, but add a cute nude heel, right? With a little mini bag, and you can even leave this a little more unbuttoned. Have a cute little bra on underneath. A little peekaboo, little lace, right? Oh my God. I love it. Or if you don't want to wear it as a dress, just wearing it like this. Like, I'm sure I'll also just wear this as just another long oversized button down. I love that this is more of a linen material too. This feels very summery to me. I love it. This color, but this is also a transitional piece because of the color. That's how I also feel about this. Like the neutrals, you can wear any time of year and it fits in just right. So we love, like, this is long too. Look how long it is. Next we have this matching set. Okay, I'm gonna cover my boobs just because I don't have the proper bra for this right now, but it has this really cute, pretty like quarter length sleeve with the ribbing, right? So gorgeous, she's pretty. And then these long pants, can you even see the bottom? They're flared at the bottom, they're very long. I do have to kind of roll them a little bit, but I feel like if I'm wearing a tall enough heel, I shouldn't have to do this. I might have to hem the bottom because they are long. So for my girls with long legs, these are for you. I don't even remember if I ordered these from the tall section on there. I don't think I did, but this is gorgeous, like a fresh tan. Are you kidding? It's so pretty. I love this. These pants, you can dress these up and dress them down. You don't have to wear these together either. Like this top would be really cute with a pair of like blue jeans to make it a little more casual together. It looks stunning, obviously. You can wear these pants with like a cute little top. I love it. You can really mix and match. It's very comfortable too. That's what I love about sets like these, is I'm all about comfort. Girl, I'm cozy here. This feels good. I love this. This top, it's so cute. Like, look at how cute this is. Literally look like I belong in Italy right now. Like, I need to be drinking this surrounded by lemons and a glass of wine. I am obsessed with this top. It's literally, are you kidding me? Oh, sorry, the sun's coming. I love like the really pretty green, and then these are little yellow flowers. At first I thought they were lemons, but they're little yellow flowers, and there's little baby blue flowers in there as well. So it has blue and green, my two favorite colors. I'm obsessed with this. It's so girly and cute. Like, this is gonna be a top that I could literally wear with these pants and throw on some heels and go out, right? Or I could put this on with a pair of some jeans and some sneakers and go out. It's so cute. It just gives you that little like feminine touch. I feel like I don't have very feminine little tops like this, so bringing that cute like little like, ooh, it's just really feminine to me. How many times can I use that word? I don't know, but I love it. I love it. Because the last one wasn't enough for me. Like, I had to go for another. Are you kidding me? Like, look how cute this is. Is this not the cutest thing in the world? I don't understand. I'm gonna be honest with you, I am not a ruffles girl. Like, I am not any sort of ruffle. I'm like, ugh. This, I was like, yes, she's so cute. She's so like, oh, just, I love it. I love her. I feel beautiful. I feel cute. I feel stunning. I don't even like purple. I don't even like purple or ruffles. And this has both, and I'm dying. Like, they somehow took two things that I don't like and made it like the cutest thing of all time. Boohoo, I don't know how you did that, but I need 10 of these. It's so cute. I also love tiny tops like this because it feels like I'm not wearing anything. Your boobs don't fall out. Your boobs don't fall out. That's good. I know, yes, I am the cutest thing ever. Look at these boxers, right? So cute. These cute little gray boxers with the matching bra. I'm not gonna lie to you, the bra feels a little tight on my neck. But I almost feel like if I sized up, it would be too big. I'm not sure, but I feel like I could. But these bottoms are the most comfortable things in life. I feel so cute and so comfortable, which I really, really love. I love sets like this for just like around the house. When I'm just at home with myself, I still want to feel cute, you know? And just in case if I'm vlogging my life, I'm like, I always want to be cute on camera. The open back of this bra though, you guys. I need these boxers in other colors. I believe it came in other ones. Yeah, so I need to go order those because this is like the softest material of all time. Are you kidding me? Boohoo. Boohoo. Boohoo, you know what you're doing. This last item I have not even tried on yet because I knew it would fit me because I got it in like an extra large. What size did I get this in? I got this next one in a 2XL. This is how big I love my sweatshirts, and I got this from the Pride collection on Boohoo. I'm so happy. It says love is love is love is love is love in the back. Also says that love is love is love is love is love. We support everyone in this household. Let me tell you right now, okay? Love is love is love. Black lives matter. Trans lives matter. Everybody matters in this house, okay? So this is so cute. I love how big this hood is. I mean, I also got that double XL, but I wanted it really big because I wanted this to be something that I could wear in fall and winter and layer with it. I also really liked like this acid wash kind of a color. I don't have another sweatshirt that is this shade, so I thought that was pretty cool. I love the rainbow. I mean, love is love is love is love. I love it. It's so cute. And then I just love knowing that I'm wearing something, and when I'm wearing it out and people see it, like, I'm on your side. I'm with you, you know? Anyway, guys, there you go. I hope you enjoyed this quick haul. I loved everything that I got. I will make sure to link everything below for you. If you would like to twin with me, do it. I want you to twin with me, especially with the Love is Love. Get the Pride collection. Get the cute green tops or the sherbird set. Get it all. I love it. Everything's so cute. Oh my God, I was not planning on wearing a sweatshirt today. It's 100 degrees outside, but my AC is on, so I can wear it in the house, right? I have a reason. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Boohoo for sending me these beautiful pieces. It is such an honor to work with you. I'm so, so grateful. Again, if you would like to get any of the items that I have, I will have everything linked for you below. I love you so much, and I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.